Welcome back to our series of videos for Data Collector 2.0. This time it's about projects and settings. We show you how you set up different accuracies, different things are then gathered or recorded from different sensors, but you will see it in a little bit. So let's start off with the application. We started off and you see the projects list, and each project is shown in this one, but if you want to edit it, you just press edit, go into the project, and the first one is general, where you can actually duplicate a project. So if you want to do the same measurement with the same settings under a different name, just do it, add the different name, and you see there's some project 2 in it. But if we go into sensors part of the settings, there you see that each device has normally a device 1, 2 or 3. But if you want to, for example, set the name arm, or the next one for legs, and the last one for shoes, you can just add the name, and then later on in the list, when you do recording, it's easy for you to see which sensor or which data comes where. Now you can also go and decide which sensor is actually taking which data. So this one we just decide on linear acceleration in 208 Hertz. The leg one, well, let's choose some other data and not depend on that, just take linear acceleration away. And the leg one, we just take magnetic field away, and we actually change the accuracy to 52 Hertz. So you can do that for each sensor individually. So here we are done with that, and the next settings would be then later on comments, but we will do that in the annotations video later on, because that's a bigger part. And then you can also add mounts, but mounts is also based on the smart mounts of MoveSense, where we will also do a separate video that you do understand the whole thing. So let's start a recording. Now you see arms, legs and shoes. We just press them, connect the sensors normally, just start it, take a sensor close to the device, it connects automatically, and off we go. So we nearly have all sensors now connected. Now they're connected. Now we start recording. The sensors are syncing each other. Now they are in sync, and you see now that each sensor now has different sensor sets. This one is the arm one, where we only had the acceleration, and the next one would be the leg one, where we have gyro as well. And the last one is the shoe sensor, where you then actually see that it's in a different accuracy, and you have temperature and acceleration gyro within the whole system there as well. So all data is synchronized, all gathered, are stored on the device. Now we stop the recording, it's recorded on the device, and you find the files in the file system, standard file system of your iOS device. So here you have a MoveSense folder. Under the MoveSense folder you see the same projects as we just saw in the main screen, and we go into sample, and then each recording that you do with these settings, so the settings always stay the same. You can also change them with other people if you want, to be sure that you have the same settings. So here you have each recording in one file based on UTC files. Here you have all the comment data, audio files, video files, text comments. There's one central file that actually shows you where all the comments are added. Here you see that we have audio, text and video added to it. That is later on if we look at the data in more detail. So this is an overview about this. I hope that you liked the video, and let's see if you find the other videos more interesting as well. Thank you.